Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. Today we're going to talk about one of the best flowering container plants for the summer. So one of the questions I get asked quite a bit is, what plant can I put on my patio that's just going to flower from May all the way until frost? My answer would be Mandevilla. You may also see them as Mandevillas. They're all in the Diplodenia family. So what you're getting here are these plants which will either trail or grow upright. So some of them will stay low, some of them will get really tall. You can see here that some of these have been staked upright and they're already 5.5, 6 feet tall. Others will stay much lower. But the theme here with this entire group of plants is how much they are going to flower. As long as you give these guys adequate water and plenty of food throughout the summer, they will just continue to flower the entire time. The colors generally come in white, pale yellow, or pink. The leaves are also a little bit different. So on some of these, you'll see the leaves are a little smaller and a little thinner. Others, the leaves are much thicker and a little bit bigger. I tend to like the bigger leaf, but I find that the ones that are smaller flower a little more profusely. So it really depends on what you want, but they're all going to perform fantastic. Just give them plenty of sun, plenty of water, plenty of food, and you're going to have color all the way until the snow flies, just about. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.